welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video today. Today I just have a small project share that I have created with PandaHall Selects beads that I had picked out. It's this package of beads. I just stuck them in this container while I was working on the project. I'll link the video up here if you didn't see the unboxing for PandaHall Selected. They're so pretty. And so they came in this package here. Sunny Clue. Starts your craft journey. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to move this because my camera's only going to focus on this. I made this pokey tool out of the beads. So here's the big one and the blue one. This one here, and then this pink one, and the two small ones, they came out of this kit here from PandaHall Selected. I used this pink one here and this pink one here. So pretty, I love it. And then I just added this dangle one here. Yeah, so that is my project share for PandaHall Selected. I love these pokey tools. They really work well. Let's put this cap on the end of it. Yeah, so that's what I made with these two sets of beads. And I will be back with another project share for PandaHall Selected. Don't forget, I will have the coupon code on the screen, and you can use that coupon code for 10% off your first order. Remember that they already have such great low prices, and if you your first order, you can also get the free bag. I'll insert a picture of that here. The free cloth bag. I appreciate y'all watching this video. I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having a great time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.